looks exciting. It has lights. This is called our book vending machine. So it's like a snack machine, but instead you will get books out of here. We have all kinds of great books. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you think this looks pretty cool. Yes, it does. Now let's talk about how you get a book. This special vending machine takes gold coins. You cannot use a penny. You cannot use a quarter. You cannot put $1 in here. The only thing you can put in is a gold coin. So you're asking, we don't have a gold coin. How do we get a gold coin? So I'm going to tell you right now. So hands in your lap, facing this way, ears open. Ears open. To get a special gold coin, every staff member in this building is going to get 2 gold coins every month. So Mrs. Puckett is going to get 2 coins in March, 2 coins in April, 2 in May. Mrs. Smith is going to get 2 coins each month. Mrs. Coleman is going to get 2 coins each month. Just 2. And if a staff member sees you doing something really, really awesome, you just might get a gold coin to get a book out of the book vending machine. Does that sound great? Yes. So this is just not for everybody. Is everybody going to get a gold coin? No. You have to do something super special. And is it just in your classroom, your teacher? No. It's in the hallway you might get one. When you're at PE, you might get one. When you're at art, you might get one. When you're outside waiting for your cars to come up or walking to the bus, you might get a gold coin. If you're caught reading, you might get one. I don't know what they're going to use it for, but it's pretty special, okay? So you have to work really hard. But today, I'm going to tell you later. I'm not going to tell you who now, but later, 10 of you, 10 will get a gold coin today before you go back to class. 10 of you, okay? So this is our book vending machine. Let me go over the rules one more time. Your teacher, every staff member is going to get 2 every what? Month. And when you come to the book vending machine, you have to have an adult with you. Can you come to the book vending machine by yourself? No. You have to have an adult, okay? And your teacher or a staff member will make sure somebody comes with you. And all you do is put your gold coin in, and there are numbers. You type your number in, and your book will fall out for you to take home and read. But if you get a book, you got to read it, right? Yes.
And it's yours to keep. You don't have to bring it back.
It is yours
to keep.
Does that sound exciting?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, anytime there's something new, if you open a new business or you start something new, you have what you call a ribbon cutting. So this is our beautiful ribbon, and Mrs. Coleman is going to cut the ribbon to let us know that our book vending machine is ready to go and ready for us to use. Are you ready? Let's give her a countdown. Okay, wait. Let's count down from 5. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is open for business and ready for us to use. Now, that's all right. Are you ready to see who these special coins are going to go to? Now, I really need you to listen carefully, okay? I'm getting ready to ask a lot of you, okay? So I want to see who can handle these directions. You are you're not going to stand up. You're not going to jump around and move. But you are going to scoot to the side, right in here, and look to see if you are sitting on a piece of tape. If you are sitting on a piece of tape, stand up. Oh, I love how quietly you're doing this.
Jabari, look.
Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give them a cheer. Woo! All right. So we are going to let our 10 friends pick a book, and I just want you to watch to see how the machine works, okay? And then we will dismiss you to class. Give your teachers their coins. Hey, buddy. Give your teachers their coins, and then you've got to work for a coin. Deal? All right. Let's go. Come up here and look. Come here, Wayne. Look at which book you want. Come here. All 10 of my friends. Come on. Let's play some music.
Excuse me.
And woo! Here comes our first book.
I know which one I get.
Our first friend got a rainbow magic book. Give her a hand. I'm trying to get y'all some music to listen to. Hey, let me see. The football goats. Woo! You don't want it? You can give it to somebody Gabby's dollhouse. Give her a hand. Right here.
Sit on the closet. Sit on the closet. Because you know I'm all about those books, about those books. Start reading. I'm all about those books, about those books. Start reading. I'm all about those books, about those books. Start reading. I'm all about those books, about those books.
Bad guys.
Yeah,
Woo! Give them a hand.
because I'm reading. It's what I like to do. Cause I got that fiction that everyone chases. All of these books in so many places. I see those magazines. It's short and you can even swap. If you got books or Kindles, just raise them up. Cause anything you read is perfect from start to stop. Now the one said she told me
Harry Potter.
she says good readers like lots of books to read at night. You know about the books that make the Kindle go. So if that's
Wild River.
because you know I'm all about those books, about those books. Start reading. I'm all about those books, about those books. Start reading. I'm all about those books, about those books. Start reading. I'm all about those books, about those books. Hey, I'm bringing reading back. Go ahead and get excited. Now I'm not joking. I know you think it's mad, but I'm here to tell you every book is an adventure. Makes you never want to stop. Yeah, the one said she told me don't worry about the sound.
Junie B. Jones, Boss of One.
Books to read at night. You know I won't read no clothes when the night looking by the door. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and read it.
Black Eyes.
Because you know I'm all about those books, about those books. Start reading. I'm all about those books, about those books. Start reading. I'm all about those books, about those books. Start reading.
Buzz Lightyear.
Because you know I'm all about those books, about those books.
You have that one too? All right, listen, eyes right here. Eyes right here. You guys are a special group. You were the first ones, some of the first ones, to be able to see the book vending machine and know the rules. Your job is to go back to your class and tell your friends about how they can earn a gold coin, okay? They're also gonna play this video on the morning news, so you can help your friends and your teachers know how this works, because you are a special group and we are very, very proud of your hard work, okay? So let's give ourselves a big hand.